Yeah, just a little walking down the Syndicate Nature Trail. Not to the Syndicate Waterfall. We are on the Syndicate Nature Trail. Nice walk, very green. Not yeah. See all the trees, the gommiers, the carapit, the oliviers, the bois. You know what I mean? The bois cano, the mang rouge, the mang blanc, the epiphytes. Man, our rainforest is so rich in nature. Wow. Don't forget the lianas, what Tarzan like. So he could go and check Jane. We have everything here. Even the fronts. Look at that. So you see this front, guys? So I have my friends them with me. We're just walking down the nature trail. What's up, man? Are you enjoying it, man?
Yeah, man, awesome.
So I just have my friends there, yes. So we'll make a short little video. Yeah, my friend right here. So guys, as I said, we have 195 different ferns. I showed you guys the tree fern. There should be one somewhere around, like this one over here. I showed you guys also the ferns on the trunk of the tree. So you could hear the sound of the parrot.
Yeah.
Even though we don't see it.
They're there.
But at least we hear the song, huh? Good. So I was just saying, this is another fern that we have. And we call it the Parasol agouti. Now I know it's a little French, because you know we still have that French influence on the island. But parasol means like umbrella. And agouti is one of the animals I showed you. It looks a little like a rabbit. It's not the opossum, but it looks a little like a rabbit. So why we call it the agouti umbrella is because when it's raining, they use it as an umbrella. They go under it. So that's why they call it, it got its name, the Parasol agouti. Nice trail, very nice trail. Very easy trail. Look at the gummy. That's why the Indians, they choose the gummy, because a mature gummy tree has over 50 feet of trunk without no branches. So you imagine that, no branches, no nuts. That's why they chose the gummy to build the dugout canoes. I love our rainforest, man, so rich. Nice. So we just completed the loop. So we're heading down to the facility area, okay? You guys must check out the Syndicate Nature Trail. Here we have the Mang Rouge, the characteristic right there. All right, visit the Syndicate Nature Trail. Remember, the Syndicate Nature Trail is different than hiking to the Syndicate Waterfall, so check it out, okay? Wonderful. See you guys.